Welcome back, guys. Today we have an interesting question which has been asked in CAT. So let's see. An airline has a certain free luggage allowance and charges for excess luggage at their fixed rate per kg. Okay. Two passengers, Raja and Praja, have 60 kg of luggage between them and are charged 1200 and 2400 respectively for excess luggage. Okay, fine. Had the entire luggage belonged to one of them, the excess luggage charge would have been 5400. Fine. So let's see what is told to us. So basically, airlines have a fixed amount of free luggage that you can carry. So both Raja and Praja have some fixed luggage and some excess luggage. Okay. Now, the value of free luggage in kg would be same, right? Because it's fixed by the airline. Now the difference lies in these two. They could be same, they couldn't be same. But since we see that Raja is being charged 1200 and Praja is being charged 2400 for the excess luggage, that means they are different. Okay. Now, another information that is given to us is 60 kg of luggage is between them. So basically, adding all these four would give us 60 kg. Now, I can see an equation for the sum of weights of these two, and I think you guys can also see it. That is 60 minus 2f. So if out of the total 60 kg, we remove the two free allowed luggage, we get 60 minus 2f. That is the weight of these two luggages. Now, how much are these two costing, additionally? That is 2400 plus 1200. This is costing 2400. This is costing 1200. So basically, whatever the rate they have, let's suppose the rate is x rupees per kg, rupees x per kg, right? So if we multiply it by x, we should get what? 2400 plus 1200, right? 3600. So we have one equation in front of us. We'll keep it as one. Now we have another information that if the entire luggage belonged to one of them, the excess luggage charge would have been 5400. Now this is interesting. Now suppose only Praja is carrying all the four luggages. So that would be still one fixed amount of free and allowed luggage. Now excess luggage would be something. According to the question, it has been charged for 5400 rupees. Now the equation becomes what? F. So, and still, the sum of these two weights would be 60 kg. So essentially 60 minus F at X rate would sum up to 5400 rupees, right? So we have these two equations. I think you guys can easily see now how to approach, how to calculate further. We'll divide 1 by 2, equation 1 by equation 2. So x and x gets cancelled. You can see here and here. So we are left with 60 minus 2f by 60 minus f, which is equals to 3600 by 5400. Fine. Let's solve now. 5400, 100 cancelled. 18 threes are, 18 twos are. Cross multiplication 180 minus 6f and 120 minus 2f. So essentially it becomes 60 equals to 4f. Therefore, f equals to 15, right? So we have found out that the free and allowed luggage is 15 kg. I think there's a question on this. What is the free luggage allowance? 15 kg. Easy. Now, in any of the equations, if we put the value of f, we can find the rate x. So if we put the value of f in any of these equations, we'll get the value of x, that is the rate per kg. So let's put here, so 60 minus 15 into x gives us 5400. So essentially 45x equals to 5400. So 5400 by 45, that would give us 120, right? Now x is 120 per kg because x is the rate. So rupees 120 per kg. Now what is being asked? What is the weight of Praja's luggage? Now this was Praja, right? Second one, Raja and Praja. So Praja has free weight that is 15 kg and some amount of, let's suppose, W1 weight. This additional luggage, this is the additional luggage. It has been cost for 2400. So weight 1 into X gives us 2400. What is X here? We know that it is 120. So 120 W1 equals to 2400. Cut and 20. So W1 equals to 20. So should we mark it as 20? No, because this weight is additional weight. So adding to the free and allowed weight, we get 35 kgs. So Praja is carrying 35 kg. If a question would have asked how much is Raja is carrying, so simply we'll subtract 35 from 60 and we'll get 25. That is the answer. Thank you.